I get this question like a 300 times a day. Okay, sabar rakho. I am literally a student of NIT Calicut, and who better to spill the tea than me? So let's go. First thing first, कैसे आएंगे? So there is no shortcut. You have to crack JEE Mains with a very good percentile to get into NIT Calicut because it is one of the top NITs of India. I will attach the opening and closing ranks on the screen or in the description so that you can check. तो मान लेते हैं कि you worked very hard, you got into NIT Calicut. Congrats. So now what? मुझे NIT Calicut allot हुआ था. The first question came to in my mind is how is the campus? क्योंकि NIT Calicut तो जा रहा है, but campus के pictures तो flex करना है ना Instagram पे. And I was a creator, so I had to see it. So the campus is of 300 acre, filled with a lot of parts, divided in 3 parts. I guess so it's in 3 parts. Yes, it is in 3 parts. First is main campus, through which you are going to enter. Second is the south campus, in which there is a management building, girls hostel and a library. My channel has a campus tour part 1. Campus tour is in my channel, and ITC campus tour is in a lot of channels. I link the channels in the description or video so that you can see how is the campus and get a very good idea. So second आता है hostel. So I'll first tell you कि hostel कैसे allot होता है. मतलब आपको पहले कॉलेज आने से पहले एक ऐप होता है NITC hostels. उसमें आप पहले ही अप्लाई कर सकते हो तो आपको मिल जाएगा. मतलब अच्छा रहेगा अगर आप आने से पहले ही allot कर दो. एंड उसके बाद गर्ल्स का हॉस्टल हैज़ लाइक फर्स्ट ईयर गर्ल्स हैज़ 5, 4 and 3 and 2 sharing. 3 I don't think so it is there. 5, 4 and 2 sharing is there. For boys first year it's 4 sharing, I guess so. And for second, third year boys and girls both have 2 sharing. And for fourth year we have 1 sharing. That's it. And we have a lot of hostels. Like girls there is only 2, LH and MLH. LH is for first is mostly and fourth years, first and fourth years. Then there is MLH, which is basically for everyone. Like everyone is there, PG, UG and everyone is there. For boys, first year you'll get hostel in campus itself. In second year you are going to get to MLH, and third year also. For fourth year you have the hostels in campus. And girls also you can get hostel in campus. There is a G hostel in fourth year. And also MLH and LH. That's it. You can't get a luxury life in Sarkari college, so it's decent, it's cute and survive हो सकते हो. मतलब अच्छा है अगर आप अच्छे से सजा दो एंड डेकोरेट कर दो, क्योंकि मैं करती हूँ, मुझे बहुत पसंद है डेकोरेट करना, तो वो अच्छा लगता है, अच्छा वाइब देता है. So if we talk about hostel, we are going to talk about mess. So the mess food is, it's a very like...
One eternity later.
For me, the food is fine. Like, हाँ ठीक है, मतलब North Indian खाना मिलता है, लेकिन obviously you cannot get the taste there. But they try their best to make a good food. But हाँ ठीक है, मतलब अगर आप non-veg हो, so you'll be happy. If आप veg हो मेरी तरह, you will get irritated at last. Like our SEM is of 4 months, so till 2 months or 3 months I am fine, but just before the vacations I'll be like getting in a mood of like literally I'll be like irritated whole time because of food. So it's fine, like you have to survive. You won't get nice food in any hostel, I don't know. Not like we get too oily food. No, we don't get too oily food. The food are quite decent. Like it's in Kerala, so obviously you'll get taste of South India and everything. But North Indian food is there and it is quite decent. Like I find it something like you cannot find totally the taste of North India, but yeah, it is fine. You have to survive. And for non-vegetarians it's pretty good, but for vegetarians you have to struggle a little bit. Like a lot of students were asking me, that's Kerala, there's language barrier, there's a lot of rumors about Kerala, so we are very scared to come here. Mostly girls from like a lot far, like from north, pura north, Punjab se. So I'm just going to tell you, There is nothing like that. The campus life is very good. The people are very sweet here. The Kerala, you will love it. It's very beautiful. Advice: do not barrier yourself because of language and because of states. Be with everyone, talk to everyone, because these 4 years are never going to come back and never going to get experience like this. So yeah, definitely don't like make barriers because of language and everything. People are very sweet here and they have been very sweet towards me. So yeah, be very honest. मैं देखो तुमको एक चीज़ समझाती हूँ. अगर तुम हो, मतलब मान लो तुम यूपी से हो और there are some people who are coming from south and you have a group of people of your own friends, so you definitely are going to talk in Hindi because it's your comfort language. You cannot talk in English because you are comfortable with that particular language with your friends, right? So here also is same, like people who are from their state, they have a group, they are going to talk in their language, they are going to do that, only have fun, but that doesn't mean they are like not including you. People here are very sweet, they include you, they welcome you, there's like warm environment in there. And my family had this problem, like I am a girl, I'm from Bihar, and my parents were very scared to send me to Kerala. So for those parents and those girls, I'm just going to tell you that you cannot like always be in a comfort zone, because you have to get out of your house, you have to travel, and you have to experience things. You cannot always get protected by your parents. You have to see things yourself, experience it, and be mature enough. So there's no problem coming to Kerala. There's no like safety problem, definitely not safety problem. It's more safe than north, I bet you. And yeah, that's it. And you have to be careful, like for girls it's required to be careful everywhere in this whole entire world, because you're a girl and you have to be careful. You have to see people, you have to travel, like keeping that in mind. So yeah, that's just the advice. Don't be scared to come here, it's fine. So for a conclusion, I won't say it's perfect and ITC is perfect. It's definitely like you're going to definitely love something, you're going to definitely hate, and you're going to definitely cry about something. But I would like to say a thing, that if you're going to come here, it is definitely going to be a different experience from North colleges, because it's not same, and it's maybe apart from your comfort zone, but it is going to turn out into a very good personality, and you're going to be a changed version of yourself for a better. And also you're going to get out of this college with a lot of memories, a lot of people, and a different version of yourself. As I said, if you found this video honest and helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel, and share with some of your friends or students who are very confused about this college or about anything. Comment with the questions you're about of NITC. I'm going to definitely answer you. If it is a vast question, I am going to definitely make a video about it. And if you're from NITC, I would like to share some of your experience or some of the things you hate or love about our college, so that it can help the people or students who are coming to NIT Calicut. So thank you so much for watching this video, and yeah, tata, bye bye.